Hi guys. I thought that the Spire system can be kind of weird, and I wanted to make some videos to explain some concepts to you, and also to remind you that we're going to do this and to make your characters. So, the first thing about Spire is the core mechanic, the dice that you roll. Spire works on a D10 system, but you don't add anything to the die you roll. You roll a d10, and a 1 through a 5 is a failure. 1s are worse than 5s, and a 6 through 10 are successes. 10s are better than 6s. The way that you make your character better at doing things is by having skills and domains. If every time your character tries to do something that requires a die roll, there will be a skill check. Every skill comes with a domain based on where you are or who or what you're trying to affect. So, if you are trying to hit someone, you're going to roll 1d10 just for trying to do it. If you have the fight skill, you roll 2 die. If you are fighting in the slums and you have the low society domain, that's 3 die. If you only have the low society domain, then that is still 2 dice. Abilities and other effects can make you roll with mastery, which will give you another die as well. You can only have 4 die at any time. Also, mastery doesn't stack. So if 2 effects are giving you mastery, you'll only get 1 die total. So, to reiterate, if you're trying to hit somebody in the slums and you have the fight skill, the low society domain, and something is letting you roll with mastery, you will roll 4 dice. Alright, cool. So if you're building a character and you want them to be good at particular things, try and get these skills and domains that will apply to those situations. They're not going to be bonuses or anything. Also, if 2 effects would, or rather, if 2 sources would give you the same skill or domain, that will create a knack, meaning a specific instance of that skill or domain that will let you roll with mastery. You get to make it up, but you have to run it by me for approval. An example it can be anything as simple as a fighting knack can be fighting with swords. That is perfectly fine. A academia knack may be interacting with librarians. You're good at, librarians just love you. You're that kind of person. One thing in particular I want to bring your attention to is the fix skill. The skills can be really conceptual. Fight is pretty much just fight, and stealth is pretty much just stealth, though social stealth is also a thing. But the fix skill is really nebulous because it does, of course, mean repairing objects, but it also means repairing people or situations. So medicine and just healing somebody is fix. Covering up a social faux pas because somebody's character insulted a noblewoman is also fix. And helping someone reconnect with their distant father is, again, fix. That's just a particularly nebulous skill that I wanted to call attention to. And I don't know how much longer can I record for. I guess I can just keep talking. So, I'm going to stop talking now, so these videos are kind of broken up by theme. And next I'm going to talk about items.